If your wife avoids physical touch, it feels confusing and frustrating. You may wonder what changed or if something is wrong. The truth is, physical intimacy in a relationship is deeply connected with emotional, mental, and even physical well-being. And when a woman starts pulling away, it isn't usually just out of the blue. There are reasons, even if she isn't saying them. First, there is the emotional connection. For most women, they have to be close on an emotional level, then the physical follows. When she is not being heard or feels disconnected and unappreciated, she may naturally retreat. It's not about the attraction, it is all about feeling appreciated. When the conversations have become routine or transactional, then she might no longer feel a spark. But building that again only requires an attempt to actually listen, acknowledge her feelings, and talk with a meaning. At times, merely asking how her day was may make a big difference by giving her one's full attention. Another very common reason is stress. Stressors affect women in different ways from men. At times when the going gets tough, some need physical comfort while others pull back. If she's overwhelmed with work, kids, or life responsibilities, the last thing she may be thinking of is physical intimacy. Try not to take it personally. Instead, understand what's bothering her. Sometimes it's the little gestures to lessen her burden that can make all the difference. It may be simple, but a woman who feels cared for emotionally is far more willing to open up herself physically. Think about small acts of kindness, doing chores without being asked, surprising her with something thoughtful, giving her space when she needs it. Self-esteem plays a big role too. When she feels unattractive, tired, or unappreciated, she may retreat from intimacy. Compliments, small gestures, and words of affirmation can help remind her that she is still desirable. But this must be genuine. Women can tell when praise is contrived. The aim is to make her feel seen and appreciated, not to get your way. A little effort here goes a long way in rekindling that closeness. Sometimes even encouraging her to take time for herself, a spa day, a workout, or a new outfit can help raise her confidence and make her feel more open to physical affection. Unresolved conflicts breed emotional distance. The intimate times get replaced by repeated arguments, built-up resentment, or unspoken frustrations. The fights may seem little, but they sum up with time. Communication should be open. Being straightforward about the issues, apologizing when needed, and making her feel heard will mend the emotional gap. She will automatically decrease the physical touch if she is feeling emotionally distant. This would also include checking up on the relationship periodically, not when one feels strained. Routine can make attraction fade away. When something is predictable, it's very easy to get bored with that thing. It's the little bits of novelty that re-spark interest. That doesn't mean extreme changes, just minor ones to break the pattern. Surprise her with a date, plan something out of the blue, or reintroduce an old tradition you used to enjoy together. A little bit of spontaneity may help to keep the fire alive. Even trying simple actions like holding hands in public, sending sweet texts, or cooking dinner together breaks the monotony and creates new bonding experiences. Sometimes, past experiences or trauma can affect how a person responds to physical touch. If your wife has had negative experiences, even unrelated to your relationship, they can impact her willingness to engage physically. In these cases, patience and understanding are crucial. Pushing her to be affectionate can make things worse. Instead, creating a safe space where she feels comfortable can slowly rebuild trust and intimacy. This might be a problem of deeper levels that need discussion either with you or with a therapist. Besides, health issues can be a reason. Sometimes hormonal changes, medical conditions, or even some medications can be affecting desire and physical comfort. If she feels pain, discomfort, or tiredness, she may not want to have intimate contact. Open and non-judgmental talk about any physical issues can lead to solutions. Encourage her to seek medical advice if necessary, showing that you care about her well-being, not just in terms of physical intimacy. In these conversations, empathy, not frustration, has to be your approach. Touch doesn't always have to be about leading to intimacy. Sometimes, small, non-sexual gestures of affection can help bridge the gap. Holding hands, hugging, or just sitting next to each other may rebuild that connected feeling. If every time there is contact, it's pressuring, she may begin to avoid touch altogether. By making touch about comfort and not expectation, she may feel safe and loved. A reassuring hug or a peck on the forehead can speak volumes about your care and affection. Rebuilding physical closeness starts with emotional connection. Communication, removal of irritants, confidence building for her, and resolution of unresolved issues may be the starting point for rekindled romance. Attraction is not just lust. It is the feelings that person brings out in the other. She is most likely to be receptive to intimacy if she is loved, appreciated, and understood. One should make this an environment of ease sans pressure or guilt so that both are connected and valued. It can become a part of the relationship once again if approached with care and patience. It is always about small, consistent efforts, rather than grand ones. In the end, it is all about reconnecting on making her feel safe, heard, and cherished every single day.